The village of Isla Verde was a Caribbean jewel, a serene haven where time seemed to stand still. Brightly painted houses dotted the lush green hillsides, each one a splash of color against the verdant backdrop. Laughter echoed through the bustling marketplace, a kaleidoscope of colors and scents that delighted the senses. Fishermen mended nets on the sun-drenched beach, their voices blending with the rhythmic crash of waves, a symphony of daily life. Life was a shared song, a tapestry woven with kindness and joy, where every smile and laugh added a new thread. Evenings brought families together on verandas, where they would relax and unwind after a day of hard work. They shared stories under a sky ablaze with stars, each tale a thread in the rich tapestry of their shared history. The elders spoke of resilience, of weathering life's storms together, imparting wisdom to the younger generation. Their words, etched in the island's history, would soon be tested. For now, peace reigned, a calm before the storm. The air itself hummed with the promise of tomorrow, a gentle reminder of the beauty and fragility of life. The storm arrived like a raging beast, unleashing its fury upon the unsuspecting village. Winds howled, tearing through the once peaceful landscape, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Palm trees bowed low, their fronds shredded by the onslaught, as if paying homage to the storm's might. The sea, once a source of life, transformed into a churning monster, swallowing the shore with ferocious hunger, its waves crashing with unrelenting force. The hurricane's fury was relentless, battering homes and trees without mercy. Houses, once symbols of security, crumbled under its might, reduced to mere rubble. The marketplace, once alive with laughter and bustling with activity, lay in ruins, a ghost of its former self. When the storm finally retreated, it left behind a scene of unimaginable devastation, a testament to its destructive power. The vibrant tapestry of life was shredded, leaving only threads of hope clinging to the wreckage, a reminder of resilience amidst the chaos. Days turned into weeks. The initial shock gave way to a numbing despair. The villagers, huddled amidst the debris, waited for help to arrive. They shared what little food and water they had salvaged, their spirits dwindling with each passing hour. But help never came. Promises made on distant shores were lost to the wind. The world, it seemed, had forgotten the small village of Isla Verde. Yet amidst the ruins, a spark of defiance ignited. They had survived the storm's fury. They would survive its aftermath. A fisherman, his face weathered but resolute, stood atop a pile of debris. The remnants of his home and livelihood lay scattered around him, yet his spirit remained unbroken. "We will rebuild," he declared, his voice hoarse but filled with determination. His words cut through the silence, a rallying cry for the community. His words resonated through the ravaged village, rekindling a flicker of hope in the eyes of the despairing. And so they began. The villagers, once paralyzed by despair, found a new sense of purpose. Women cleared debris alongside men, their hands working tirelessly to restore what was lost. The sense of unity was palpable. Children gathered salvaged materials, their laughter echoing through the ruins. They turned the act of rebuilding into a game, their innocence a stark contrast to the devastation around them. The elderly shared their wisdom, guiding the reconstruction efforts with stories of past hardships and triumphs. Their experience was invaluable. Slowly, painstakingly, Isla Verde began to rise from the ashes. Each brick laid and each beam raised was a testament to their collective strength. The rebuilt village was a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. It was more than just structures. It was a symbol of their resilience. It stood as a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience and the power of unity in the face of adversity. The village was now a living testament to what could be achieved when people come together. The storm had taken much, but it had also revealed the true strength that lay dormant within their hearts. It was a strength forged in the fires of adversity. Isla Verde had learned that the greatest resilience comes not from weathering the storm alone, but from facing it together, as one. Their unity was their greatest asset, and it had seen them through the darkest of times.